Christmas time and there's so much chaos happening around the house. Up in the mirror again, like full length, and see. Hi everyone, this is Annie. Thank you for coming back to my channel. And for those who are new, thank you for watching my channel and this particular video. The reason why I'm doing this video is because today is a special day. It's our 9th wedding anniversary and my husband's taking us to this special dinner, which is at Nobu Hotel in London. And I've heard great things. I love anything Japanese, so anything Asian. So I'm quite excited for this dinner. I've picked an outfit for this particular occasion, but I don't know if it's Nobu appropriate. For my frame, it's quite difficult to find a dress which is also petite, curvy, and also like modest at the same time, but is beautiful. So you let me know how the outfit looks, the end finished look. But at the moment, I'm going to go change myself, make myself look Nobu appropriate, and then after that, I'll take you along with me and show you little snippets of Nobu Hotel in London and the dinner, etc. Hi everyone, so this is my finished look. Excuse the background. This is a dress that I picked up from Phase 8. I'm just gonna try and show the full look. I have to go this far. So this is my finished look and I have two shoe options. These are the shoes that I picked up from Hermès sale this year, and these are my old Dior shoes. So I don't know, I think I'm leaning towards this one because these have got this cute diamond stone sort of detailing. So I might go with this one. If I would have gone with this, I thought I would go with my Chanel Classic Flap white color bag. Just gonna show you the look, how it looks like. So this and my Hermès bag would be one of the combinations that I wanted to go with. Let me try and turn around the phone angle, if that helps at all. Yeah. So these are my Hermès shoes that I'm wearing, and I wanted to wear an Hermès bag. This should be this is what I was thinking, or I might go for. This is the final look that I might go for. But there's also another look that I wanted to go with, which is the Dior slingback shoes, but I don't want it to scream like Dior, etc. That's why I'm not leaning more towards that one. That Dior slingback shoes and my Chanel Classic Flap bag. This is another look I wanted to go with. This is the look. Sorry. Let me push it aside. This is the look. I can't decide. Let me go into another room and check. Oh, I like this too. So I've got two options. One of them is going with my Dior shoes and the Chanel Classic Flap, and another option that I've got is going with my Hermès bag and my Hermès forgot the name. I think these are Jackie shoes, Jackie pumps. Love them. They're so comfortable. Wore it for Christmas for the first time. So I wanted to go with these two. So I can't decide which one of these two would work really well. Hopefully this one. I'm gonna go check myself in the mirror again, like full length, and see. I really love the Dior with the Classic Flap. Well, I think for comfort, I would go with this. This is the classic look. I think I like the look, so I went and I put on my Zara fur coat. Um, I'm going for comfort at the moment because I'm going with a 8-month-old baby, so I think this should do. So thank you for watching. Stay along for the rest of the vlog um, about the food and the surroundings at Nobu Hotel London. Take care. See you. 가시면